Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to revision online class. Today we have the English class. So, girls, today we will revise this exercise of exercise unit 1, page number 7. Exercise A, write what, why, or who. So today we will revise this exercise. We will use these words in these blanks. So where we will use what, where we will use why, or where we will use who. So first of all, I want to tell you about the what, okay, where we use what, when we use what. So keep in your mind when we ask and when we want to ask any information, then we will use what. You can see the first one is what is in your bag, okay. So we use what for when we are taking any information, then we will use the word what, okay. When we ask the name about what is your name, so we use what, okay. So when we ask any information, so we have to use the word what, okay. So what is in your bag? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? So what use in the start of the questions, and when we ask, when we take any information for someone, so then we will use what. Afterward, the next word is why. Where we use why. Why we use for the any reason, okay. When we asking about the reason, then we use why, okay. Why you come to late school? So why is used to ask the reason, okay. Ask the reason, the purpose. For example, why are you late? Why did you come here? So we use why to ask the reason. Fine. Now, after why, the next word is who. So where we use who and why we use who. So we use who to ask which person does an action or which person is a certain way. Means when we ask about it, who is this? Okay? Who is that girl? For example, who is your brother? Who is your sister? Fine. So we use who to ask which person does an action. Okay. When we asking for someone, for the person, then we use who. Fine. Now again I repeat it. We use word to ask for information. Okay. And we use why. Why is used to ask the reason, and the last one is who. We use who to ask which person does an action. Fine. Now you can see the exercise. The first one is already done. What is in your bag? So the next one is dash, are you crying? So we are asking the reason. So we will use why. Why are you crying? Okay. So we use why are you crying? Keep in your mind, this is the reason, na? Why are you crying? So we are asking about the reason, okay. The next one is dash won the game. Dash won the game. So we are asking dash won the game. So we will use who won the game. ठीक है. So किसने गेम जीती? Who won the game? So we use who. Then, did you do that? Did you do that? So, which word comes? What, why, or who? Did you do that? So we will use why did you do that? So we use why did you do that? Okay, ji. Next one is dash is your name. So this is very easy. We use what is your name. Now, gave you that bag. Gave you that bag. So which word come? Who gave you that bag? Okay. Who gave you that bag? Next one is made you sad. So who made you sad and what made you sad? So you can write who and what. Okay. This is your choice. Both comes in the blank. Who made you sad? ठीक है, what made you sad? Okay, now next is dash was the score. So again we are asking about the information, so we use what was the score. Told you to do it. Told you to do it. So again this is asking about the person, so we use who told you to do it. And dash is your friend, so again we are asking about the friend, we are asking about the someone for the person. So who is your friend? Fine. Okay, students, now we will revise the next exercise. Write did, do, or does. Okay, now we will complete this exercise. We will revise this exercise. We will use these three words in the blanks. Fine. So now where we use did, where we use do, or where we use what. So first we will discuss about the do and does. Okay, where we use do and where we use does. So do comes with I, you, we, they. Do comes with I, you, we, they. When we talking about these words, so we will use do. When we making the sentence about I, you, we, they, then we will use do. Means when we are talking about the plural, so then we will use do. And then when we talking about the singular, he, she, it, or any name, then we will use does. Fine. When we talking about the singular, he, she, it, or any name, then we will use does. So he, she, it, then comes does. I, you, we, they, then comes do. So this exercise about the questions. Okay, these are the questions. And now the next word is did, where we use did. Okay, did comes with I, you, we, they, he, it, she. It's mean did comes with all the subject. Okay, in सब words के साथ did आएगा. I, you, we, they, he, it, she. Means either we are talking about the singular or plural. अगर हम की बात कर रहे हैं singulars की या plural की, then we will use I, then we will use did. Fine. Did जो है हमारा वो सब subjects के साथ आएगा. I, you, we, they, he, it, and she. And again I repeat it. Did comes all the words, okay, with all the words, and do comes with I, you, we, they, and does comes with he, she, it. Does, he, she, it, do, I, you, we, they. So this exercise is all about this, where we use do, where we use did, and where we use does. The first one is already done. Do you like sweets? Okay, girls, when we talking about the present time, हम जब present time की बात करते हैं, then we use do and does. And when we talking about the past means गुजरा हुआ टाइम, तो जब हम उसकी बात करते हैं then we use did. So did सबके साथ आता है, did जो है सबके साथ आता है, but do और does जो है आपको बता दिया मैडम ने कि do comes with plural, they. जब हम when we talking about the more than one, I and you के साथ भी हम do use करेंगे, और जब हम एक से ज्यादा की बात करते हैं when we talking about the more than one, then we will use do. And when we talking about the just one, he, she, it, or for example any name like pencil, सारा, अली, टेबल, जब हम सिर्फ एक की बात करते हैं then we will use does. Fine. So I told you do comes with I, you, we and they. The second one is dash you fall in the yard. Dash you fall in the yard. So कीप इन योर माइंड गर्ल्स कि डेट जो है इन सब वर्ड्स के साथ आ सकता है. फाइन, क्योंकि डेट जो है वो पास्ट टाइम को शो करता है, पास्ट में, और वो चाहे आई, यू, वी, दे हो, ही, शी, इट और एनी नेम आपने ये यूज करना है. ये ट्रिकी वर्ड्स हैं, बट आपने क्या करना है, आपने डिड यूज किया, डिड यू फॉल इन द यार्ड. ठीक है, दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द पास्ट टाइम. डिड यू फॉल इन द यार्ड? ओके. डैश द कोट फिट यू. डैश द कोट. कोट क्या है? सिंगुलर. कोट क्या है? सिंगुलर. सो डैश द कोट फिट यू, इट्स मीन द वर्ड कम्स डज. आई टोल्ड यू does comes with the singular, he, she, it or name. मैडम ने आपको बताया ना. तो इसी तरह नाउ द कोट इज द सिंगुलर, कोट एक है, तो देन द कम्स वर्ड, द वर्ड डज. डज द कोट फिट यू? ओके. डैश आई गिव इट टू यू. डैश आई गिव इट टू यू. सो व्हाट इज द वर्ड? डिड. डिड आई गिव इट टू यू? डैश यू हैव अ डॉग. You. So the word is do. Do you have a dog? Now next is did you buy them in the shop? The question you use the word did. Did you buy them in the shop? Does the teacher know? Now the teacher is singular. We are talking about the one teacher. So the word comes does. Does the teacher know? You like it. You. So the word comes do you like it? Okay. Dash the children know. So do the children know? Children are the plural. ठीक है ना? Children are the plural. So do the children know? And the last is he likes bones. He. So the word comes does he like bones? So this is very tricky exercise, tricky words. So girls, you have to learn in your notebooks, in your copies. आपने बहुत अच्छे से लर्न करना है. फाइन. और इनको बहुत क्लियरली आप लोगों ने इस वर्ड्स को यूज करना है, और आपको समझ आनी चाहिए कि आपने ये डज, डू और डिड कहाँ पे यूज करना होता है. डेट हमारे पास पास्ट में आता है, और ये सब के साथ आता है. ही, शी, इट, आई, यू, वी, दे. डू और डज, द मेन थिंग इज डू कम्स विथ प्लूरल, एंड आई, यू, वी, दे. एंड डज comes with singular, he, she, it or any name like coat, teacher, he. So does in singular के साथ आता है. Fine. Thank you class.